Hi, I'm Massey from HSP Vehicle Accessories, and today I'm so excited to finally announce the MG U9 HSP Roll R cover. Now this is a product that we've been working on for quite a long time. We've had a lot of hurdles around it, and we're really excited to show you what we've come up with and why this is the best electric roll top in the world. Now we've been working with our friends at MG for quite a long time on this particular vehicle, and one of the design specifications that we really wanted to adhere to was that it needs to look like it's an OE product, which I think we've achieved with this because of that slim profile side rail, the custom cut corners that's specifically contoured to that vehicle. So unlike a lot of the roll tops that are out there that have got those boxy side rails that look like they sit out of place, I think this sits really nice and plumb and really just complements the look of the vehicle, especially given that a lot of black accents are around the whole car. So that black Manix black powder coat finish that we have really complements that car. I think it looks phenomenal. Now the MG Ute is known for its tech. It's quite a high-tech car, and I think the HSP Roll R cover is built with that same ethos. So it's quite a smart, futuristic cover for a smart, futuristic vehicle. Now, how do I explain that to you? We're gonna go through the 5 methods of operation. So the first one's gonna be your factory remote. So that's the MG remote. You simply double tap open, not 3 times, not 4 times, just a simple double tap, and you're gonna get that opening. Now, as you can see, once it's opened, you have this really smart touchpad here, which you just simply press that and you'll see that closing. Again, you can pause it, you can open it, and just really good operation in that regard as well. Now, the third method of operation is also going to be similar to your factory remote. It's actually going to be a lock and unlock buttons on the inside of the vehicle. So on the inside of the vehicle, you've got your door lock and unlock. If you just double tap that open or double tap that close, that's going to mimic what I've just shown you here. You've got the mobile phone application. Now, this is really cool. This is the HSP mobile phone application. You can just open via the HSP mobile phone application. It'll open the cover. It'll control the LED light. It'll pause. It'll close. But another really cool thing is that it does over-the-air Wi-Fi update. So if we ever need to send a firmware update to our roller cover, you can actually update that anywhere in the world from the mobile phone application. It's really cool. You can also set custom commands. So if you don't like how intense that light is, we can actually dial that down in 10% increments. So down from 100 to 0 in 10% increments. You can control how long the touchpad is active for in 30-second increments, up from 30 seconds all the way to 1 hour. The one customization that we're really proud of is actually the 5th method of operation as well, which is Siri voice command. So how that works is on the mobile phone application, you can set custom commands. So if your name is John, you can say close John's roller cover and it will close for you all through voice activation. Now that particular feature is exclusive only to Apple, whereas the mobile phone application does work with Android and Apple as well. So really cool tech in there, and there's a lot more that I'm going to show you throughout this video as well. Let's have a look at the canister and some of the other really cool features about this that are quite individual to HSP. So come through. Now the first thing you're going to notice, or maybe even not notice, is the size of the canister. So it is a really small canister. This whole unit is retracted 100%, which means none of it sticks out into the canister. And what's really cool about that is it's a uniform canister. So you don't have a big motor sticking out of the way. You don't have some sort of a control arm on the outside or anything. That's a completely uniform canister. So easier to kind of work with as well. The other thing that's really cool about it is the integration of the LED light. Now, a lot of companies have an LED light around here or some cheap sort of lights throughout the unit or whatever. This light is not only a large spec strip light in the canister, it's actually embedded within the canister with a protective layer over it. So it's part of the unit. It flows well, it looks well, and you can certainly, just by seeing that, see the quality of the unit is really high. Now, whilst we've been talking about that extra small canister, let's talk about this extra large tub. So I'm going to get myself comfortable here because this is a pretty important part of the conversation. And as you can see, this MG does have a nice spot for me to sit down and have a chat to you guys about this. So what you can see is we don't have exposed drainage points that go through the floor. That's a really important part. A lot of companies do that. We don't do it because we don't want your stuff sliding in and hitting the drainage points. That's a feature that's actually on all of our roll tops, right? Really, really large drainage points, custom tooled so that you don't see them or you don't see the bulk of them. Now, the difficult part of this car is that this is a monocoque vehicle, which means the tub and the vehicle are connected. So it's not a traditional ute in that manner, which meant that the water drainage was a massive sticking point to us. We really needed to work that out because we've seen the units that are out there at the moment and they have a lot of water ingress issues. So when working with MG, we really wanted this to be an OE unit, not just in terms of how it looks, but also how it performs. And I want to show you exactly what we've done into this tub for water management. Now, the first thing that you're going to see is 4 drainage points, but a little tip, the MG actually has 2 additional hidden drainage points. So there's actually 2 more that you can't see there. So this is actually the only roll top that we do with an 8-point water management system, 4 being the traditional ones that you see, 2 extras that are specific to MG, and then you've got obviously the grates on the externals. And then obviously we've got this really cool gutter system, which the water can then drain off into and go to one of those drainage points. So water was a massive point for us on this and was one of the reasons why the development of this was something that we really put all of our heart and soul into. Now, speaking of those really cool slimline side rails, I want to talk to you guys about accessorization. So some of the stuff that you can do with this, you can do the load bars, which is our crossbar system. You can do our load rack, which is our more ladder rack system. And you can do our load rack junior, which is our more rooftop tent orientated tub racks. And what you can do is either use the channels for the load bars that are on the existing side rails or have dedicated spots for the load racks, which are a little bit more weight bearing as well. So accessorization is something that we take quite seriously. People buy these cars obviously to use them for specific applications, and we want to make sure we've got a product that can kind of adhere to those as well. And now one last point I want to talk to you about installation of this. You've got this point here. So this is the factory rail. Now this rail is only on the top 2 specs of the MG. We actually mount directly into those rails, which means we're not using direct bolt systems that go into the vehicle and, you know, clamp systems that might not be as friendly with the symmetry of the vehicle or the structure of the vehicle. We're going directly into those points. This vehicle is released into the Australian market. We are 100% Australian made, designed, manufactured, owned. We know the vehicle inside out. We haven't designed it from a third-party country that's just designing something so they can mass produce it. This is actually really well thought of. Again, and that's why we've been working with MG quite a lot to get this up to scratch. Now, one of our common ethos here is by making our products more functional, more versatile, and more convenient. It makes you work less by making the product work harder. That's something that we really stand by at HSP, and I think all of our products reflect that. So for more information, please contact us, www.hsputelids.com, through any of our social media channels at HSP4x4, for MG, directly through your MG dealer, or through any of our distributors all around the country and the world.